अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्ति। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च रूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेशो गोपिकान्तो राधाकान्तो नमस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैवश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम गौरतुसे नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदो श्री अद्वैतो गदाधरो श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तो वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदो श्री अद्वैतो गदाधरो श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तो वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तो वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्यो छविसुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। So, Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. Chaitanya Chandrer daya karaho vichar. Vichar karile chitte paave chamatkar. You are sitting that side. How can I look at you? Come to my front. Chaitanya Chandrer daya karaho vichar. Vichar karile chitte paave chamatkar. Think of the wonderful mercy of Chaitanya Chandra. Think it up very deeply, seriously. If you think it up seriously, you'll be amazed what mercy he has. Huh? You follow me? Huh? Sriman Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. But he came as a devotee, assuming the mood of bhakta, to teach us bhakti, to teach us how to surrender unto Krishna, practically demonstrating, not theoretically saying. You understand? He came. And what he gave, what he gave to us. Huh? He gave Krishna, or gives Krishna. How? How he gives Krishna? Huh? How can one get Krishna and approach Krishna? Huh? Huh? Can anybody catch Krishna? Get Krishna? Huh? Have you seen Krishna? Temple. That means the Sri Vigraha. Sri Vigraha, isn't it? Installed deity. Vaishnavas installed. জীবন ন্যাস করিলে শ্রীমূর্তি পূজ্য হয়। জীবন ন্যাস করিলে শ্রীমূর্তি পূজ্য হয়। Deity is to be installed. It's a pran pratishtha. Do you understand? Follow my language? What you say in English, Rasraj, probably help me. My language, faulty language.
Your English is perfect.
No, these people cannot understand, I think. You understand my English? Faulty. I need your help. Pran pratishtha, we say pran pratishtha. Deity maker makes deity, isn't it? And puts it in his showroom, isn't it? Huh? Showroom, he puts it. We go and see there. Choose our deity or we take our deity. Huh? But it needs pran pratishtha. Huh? It needs pran pratishtha. Installation, we say, that is Vedic. Performances, huh? Deity installation, pran pratishtha. And who can do it? Deity? Huh? Who can do it? This installation. Bhakta, Vaishnava. Bhaktetsa upato rupayo paramatmane naman nama. Isn't it? Rasraj? Can't you sit down, standing? Huh? Come here to the front. Bhaktetsa upato rupayo paramatmane naman nama. Srimad Bhagavatam says. By the will of his dear devotee, Krishna descends. Huh? Krishna appears. By the will of his dear devotee. Do you understand? Yes, he appears. When his dear devotee says, please appear. Please appear, please manifest yourself in this deity. You understand? Then he appears. Simple process. No, some Vedic ritualistic processes are there. But this simple thing, unless a Vaishnava is there, pure devotee of Krishna, who has gotten Krishna. বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার, কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার, তোমারও শকতি আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তব পাছে পাছে। ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ belongs to you. Isn't it, Rasadas Prabhu? Krishna belongs to you. Krishna তোমার, and you can give me Krishna. কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমার শক্তি আছে। You have that capacity, power, that you can give me Krishna. And I am Kangal, I am bereft of Krishna. So Kangal. What is in English, Kangal? Kangal, who has nothing, penniless person, say very poor. Pauper, do you understand? I am pauper. I am pauper because I am bereft of Krishna. One who is really bereft of Krishna is real pauper, isn't it? Isn't it? But we see those people, beggars are there. They have no money, no material wealth, bereft of wealth. They are begging money, running behind a wealthy person who has wealth. Hey, Baba, a penny, paisa da, paisa da. Isn't it? Oh, Baba, oh, sir, please give me one penny, please give me one penny. I'm very poor. He runs. Similarly, one who thinks that I am really pauper because I am bereft of Krishna. So, he ran after that Vaishnava Thakur who has gotten Krishna. Only he can give him Krishna. Vaishnava Thakur. Krishna যে তোমার, কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার, তোমার শক্তি আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধায় তব পাছে পাছে। Do you follow? So, who had gotten Krishna? The Vaishnava Thakur has gotten Krishna. How he has gotten Krishna? Why? I have not gotten, or he has not gotten, or anybody has not gotten. Only that Vaishnava Thakur has gotten. How he has gotten? What is the process? Or how Krishna is captured by him and not by others? What is that? Yes. Sada muktospi badhosmi bhaktena sneharajjupi. Isn't it? Rasadas Prabhu. Hari Bhakti Suddhodaya. Sada muktopi badhosmi bhaktena sneharajjupi. Though I am supremely free. Do you understand? Is Krishna in bondage? Is Krishna in bondage? We are in bondage. Material bondage, shackle, isn't it? Krishna can only cut off this shackle, isn't it? And make us free, isn't it? But Krishna is in bondage. Wonderful, amazing. Krishna is in bondage. Rasadas Prabhu. Sada muktopi badhosmi bhaktena sneharajjupi. Though I am supremely free, always free, eternally free, still I am bound up with the rope of love of my devotee. Such bondage. Is such bondage. Is bondage of love, pure love. Though Krishna Almighty, all powerful, but he cannot break that bondage. No paroi, no paroi, he has said in 10th canto. No paroi, I cannot break such bondage. Do you understand? Huh? That is the rope of love, tie of love, nothing else, pure love. One who has developed such love, pure love for Krishna. Only he can catch him up. Huh? He can bind him. Bhaktir baddhatam, bhaktir jitatam. Isn't it? Bhaktir baddhatam, bhaktir jitatam. Oh Lord, only you can be bound up with pure love, prem bhakti. Only Krishna is Ajita, unconquerable. Isn't it? One of the names of Krishna is Ajita, unconquerable. Nobody can conquer him. Can anybody conquer him? Because it's supreme. Huh? Matta parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. Bhagavad Gita, he has said. Huh? Matta parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya. Oh Dhananjaya, oh Arjuna, there is nobody superior to me. Huh? So, it's unconquerable. Ajita, nobody can conquer. But, Ajito Jito, unconquerable can be conquered. How? Huh? By this love. By this love. Pure love. Aham bhakto paradhina. Aswatantra ivadija. Sadhu vigrasta hridaya. Bhaktir bhakta janabhya. 9th canto. Says to Durvasa Muni. Huh? Aham bhakto paradhina. Aswatantra ivadija. Sadhu vigrasta hridaya. Bhaktir bhakta janabhya. Oh Dija, oh Brahman, Durvasa, I am not independent. I am not independent, but supremely independent. Huh? Is he not supremely independent? I say, I am not independent. I am bhakto paradhina. I am dependent unto my devotee. Huh? Aham bhakto parat, aswatantra ivadija. I am no swatantriya. I am no independence. Huh? Aswatantra, sadhu vigrasta hridaya bhaktir bhakta. That sadhu, that dear devotee, has occupied my heart. Has occupied my heart. Sadhu vigrasta hridaya bhaktir bhakta janapriya. My heart does not belong to me now. Yeah, it has been occupied by that dear devotee. Premi Bhakta. He has bound me up in his heart. So I am dependent on him. Only such a devotee, such Vaishnava. Bhakta ama premi bandhiyase hrudayo bhittore. Jahan netro pade, tahan dekhoy amare. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Kaviraj Goswami says like that. Bhakta ama preme bandhiyase hrudayo bhittore. Jahan netro pade, tahan dekhoy. That devotee has bound me up in his heart with the rope of love. Wherever he looks, he only sees me. Huh? He has such vision. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Jo mang pasyati sarvatra, sarvam cha mai pasyati, tasyang na pranasyami, sacha me na pranasyati. Isn't it Rasaraj Prabhu? Huh? Jo mang pasyati sarvatra, sarvam cha mai pasyati, tasyang na pranasyami, sacha me na pranasyati. One who sees me everywhere, huh? And sees everything in me. Huh? I am not out of his sight, and he is not out of my sight. Huh? Isn't it? Do you see Krishna everywhere? See everything in Krishna? Huh? Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti mattva bhajanti man buddha bhava samannita. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, I am the source of all emanations. Everything has emanated from me. Matta sarvam pravartate. Iti matva bhajante man buddha bhava samannita. Those are Buddha, real Pandit, learned. Huh? Those know this thing. They do my bhajan with this bhav, with this mood. What is that mood? What is that mood? Bolo. Mood of love. Prema, priti is the mood of love. Do you understand? Krishna is the only object of love. Is there any object of love other than Krishna? No? Speaking from here or here? From here. Not from here. My body is very dear to me. Those who are related my body, my wife is very dear to me. My son is dear to me. My daughter is dear to me. My so-called friend is dear to me. Huh? Katham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasya rusirasya mantran. Huh? My dear wife, smiling face, God's jokes with me. Anukampitaya sangam rahasya. Ah, do you understand? Always it comes to my mind. I am thinking and saying, yes, Krishna is the object of love. Ah! Mukhe bole, sab mukhe bole. All speak from the lips. In the heart, need not there. Not there, not. You see, Krishna is the only object of love. Everything is related to Krishna. Everybody is related to Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhava. Huh? If you see something, oh, this is Krishna's. Huh? Isn't it? Oh, this is Krishna's. Oh, this is Krishna. Huh? Oh, this is Krishna's. Who is my lover or beloved? Huh? Who is the deity Lord of my heart? Oh, he belongs to Krishna. There is the question of not love. Prasad Prabhu. Huh? And Krishna is the object of love. And everything and everybody is related to Krishna. Where is the question of not love? I like Rasraj and dislike this Adipurush. How will it be? Huh? And what do you do? Oh, she is my wife. Oh, she is my son. She is my daughter. Oh, he is my friend. Related to the body. Who is he? I don't know. He is some unknown person. Huh? He is some unknown, I don't know. He is not related to me. So I like or have some material liking. We say it cannot be called in our Paramarthik Bhasha. In a spiritual language as love. It is lost. It's lost. It's what you say, perverted. Perverted, what you say? Reflection of love is lost. What we speak as is love. I love love. It's not love at all. Only Krishna is the object of love. Nothing else. Do you understand? And the so-called materialistic relations and as liking is lost. Is not love. So there is question of rag, dvesh. Liking and disliking. What do you say in English? Rag, dvesh. Huh?
Attachment and hate.
Attachment and hatred. Yes, you help me. Don't know. I say my language is faulty language. Is rag, dvesh, attachment and hatred. Do you understand? Yes. He's unknown person. I don't know. It's not related to us. The hatred is there. It's related to the body. Oh, it's my this and that. That is attachment there. Is there attachment to Krishna? But it's only attachment. Ang sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate. Huh? Krishna says this thing. I am the source of all emanation, everything has emanated from me. Is there anything or any object or any body, can you show me, as not related to Krishna? Huh? Can you? Huh? No. But why can't we see this thing? Why can't we accept this thing? Why we have developed such attachment and hatred? Huh? Why? क्यों?
A desire to enjoy.
क्यों? Why? बोलो. We have no faith in Krishna, in his words. Isn't it? Rasraj Prabhu. Yeah, we have no faith. Big, big people, Baba. Great, great leaders. Do you understand? They say, oh, what? They say, these people, Hare Krishna, people are these sadhus. God, Lord, Krishna. Who is he? Where is he? Has anybody seen him? Huh? Has anybody seen him? Isn't it? They ask this thing and ask this thing, isn't it? People speak them. Is meeting metro scientists. Are they not putting this question? Huh? Have you seen him? Is there God? Is there Lord? Have you seen him? He says, yes. Can you show me? Huh? Then I will believe it. Seeing is believing. This is their motto. Huh? Seeing is believing. Huh? Seeing is believing. Huh? If you say yes, then you say, can you show me? Then I'll believe. Then we'll accept. Otherwise, I won't accept. Seeing is believing. But yes, I'll show you. Have you vision to see? हाँ? दृष्टि है ना? अब तो अंधा है ना? हाँ? अब बोलते हैं ना ऐसे? I'll show you, but have you vision to see? You are blind. You are blind. You have no vision to see. Huh? He's a scientist. I'm not a scientist. But what I've heard from my gurus, that I'm saying. Objects are here, everywhere. And you have also some vision, that's mental vision. Isn't it? Huh? So, if there will be no light, can you see? Objects are there. And you have also eye. If no light, if it's darkness there, can you see? Light is required. Isn't it? First thing, eye is required. Objects are there. Isn't it? It's not a fact objects are not there. It's always there. Isn't it? But to see the object, first thing requirement is eye. Isn't it? If you have no eye, no vision, no objects are there, how can you see? Huh? First thing is eye. And yes, objects are there, you have eye. But if there is no light, huh? How can you see? Grouping in darkness. Oh, this. Grouping in darkness. Isn't it? So light is required. Three things are required. Object is there, eye should be there, and light should be there. Isn't it? Then one can see. So these people say, that materialistic people, they have no faith in Krishna and his words, in Shastra, Sadhu Shastra, Guru. Oh, have you seen? You say, yes. Can you show me? Then, yes, I can show you. But can you see? Have you vision? Do you understand? Huh? That's the next question. But sir, what do you say? I have no vision. Yes, I have my eye, I see everything. Why do you say that? I have no vision. I am blind. You have vision and I have no vision. What is that? Thapad लगाऊंगा. I'll slap you. You have vision and I have no vision. Bah! You rascal, slap you. You'll get angry. I'm not getting angry. Rasaraj Prabhu. Yes, Rasaraj Prabhu is experiencing, you see. He's experiencing. They're getting angry. They are not prepared to admit that I am blind. They are not prepared to admit that really I am blind. Yes, they are so puffed up. Huh? So puffed up, so proud of their materialistic vision, materialistic conception. Huh? How can they put faith? Do you understand? I was a teacher, teaching in higher secondary schools. You understand? I was teaching English. One poem I was teaching. A poem entitled is Blind Boy. Blind Boy. Poem. English poem. Do you understand? The boy from very birth is blind. Born blind. Do you understand? He has never seen sun. People speak about sun. Now dark night has gone. A fulgent sun has arisen. Broad daylight is there. Please wake up, wake up, wake up. Huh? That blind boy was hearing. Hey, what are you saying? Night has gone. A fulgent sun has risen. Broad daylight is there. Wake up, wake up. What is that sun? Are you speaking of? I cannot see the sun. What is that? Your sun makes your day and night. I make my own day and night. When I sleep, that is my night. When I am awake, that is my day. What are you saying? Sun makes your day and night. Stop, stop. Don't speak about sun before me. And don't disturb my peace. Huh? I am peaceful. I am happy. Don't speak about sun before me. And don't disturb my peace. Huh? To follow my point. So, because he is andha, he is blind from very birth. He has not seen sun. And he is not prepared to admit, really I am blind and no vision to see sun. Those who have vision, those who see, they speak. Huh? Isn't it? They speak about sun. So I should accept it. Rather, I'll be eager. How can I get that vision to see sun? Isn't it? Huh? Huh? Do you follow me? Rather, I should be eager. I'll cry. Oh, I am bereft of vision. I am really blind. I cannot see sun. These people see sun. They speak about sun. How can I get? Oh, people, oh, bhai, you have gotten such vision that you can see sun, but I have no such vision. I cannot see sun. How can I get that vision? Rather, he'll cry, very eager. Huh? But instead of becoming eager, crying for the vision, he says, hey, don't speak about sun. Don't disturb my peace. You see, I am teaching this poem. When as teacher, so painful to me. Oh, what nonsense I am teaching. Huh? Blind boy, poem. Always crying, when shall I kick this job? Get out of it. Such nonsense, blind boy, not prepared to admit that really I am blind. And how can I get the vision? Similarly, these people. Have you seen God? Oh, yes. Can you show me? How can you see? If I show you, can you see? Have you vision? Then you get angry. You'll get angry. Huh? You have vision, I have no vision. He's not prepared. Do you understand? So how can such people get the vision? And how can such people put faith in Krishna, in the words of Krishna? Yeah. You are dealing this subject. So I'm asking you, Rasaraj Prabhu.
To get the answer from you, Mother.
Krishna has said here, why Krishna comes here? What business he has? He has his abode, Golok Vrindavan, topmost planet. Huh? Topmost planet in spiritual sky. Always engaged in a Ras dance. Rasa Raja, he is Rasa Raja. Rasa Vaisa, Rasa Pradata. Huh? Do you understand? His name is Rasa Raja. Do you understand? He is Rasa Raja Dasa. So he knows him best because he is Dasa. He is Dasa. Rasa Raja Dasa. He is Rasa Raja, he is Rasika Sekhara. Huh? Rasa Vaisa, Rasa Pradata. Huh? Do you understand? Always absorbed in that Rasa mellow, nectarian mellow. Huh? Always dances in the ras. Do you understand? Always dance. No other business here. Why he comes here? To this material world. It's not his planet. Complete different. Do you understand? Why he comes here? And he manifests that leelas here. Why? Why?
To help us, to get us.
You have no vision, you have no intelligence, you have no knowledge to understand. Have you? You have no vision, no knowledge, no intelligence, no merit to understand him. I am telling this thing, this deity. Nama Rupa Vigraha, Tino Chidanandamaya, Tine Bhedo. The name of the Lord, name of Krishna, form is on form of Krishna, and Vigraha deity installed by devotee, dear devotee Vaishnava. Do you understand? Bhakti Saupatha Rupaya. By the will, the desire of his dear devotee, he descends, he manifests himself in that deity form. So that deity form is not different from him, it is also transcendental, Chidanandamaya. This is, Shastra says, Sadhu says, and we have complete faith in it. Isn't it? We have complete faith in it. দেখিয়া না দেখে জেনে অভক্তের জন উলুক না দেখে জেনে সূর্যের কিরণ. If a non-devotee, gross materialist, this scientist will come, will you accept this deity? You never accept. Oh, idol worshippers. Rasaraj is idol worshippers and telling us this thing. Isn't it, Rasaraj Prabhu? Huh? Idol worshipper, Pitula Pujak. Isn't it? Huh? They say so? It is speaking. Huh? You say, yes, speaking. All right, I will ask, why he is not speaking? Is he moving? I see, he is not moving. Huh? Is he eating? Oh, yes, we are Prasad is eating. How he eats? With his mouth? With his hand? I cannot see. All right, you offer prasad. Then you bring back the plate. It is all full. It's not empty. How he eats? then it would have been empty. Huh? You are all making farce, Prasaras. You are all making farce. It's not God. Real. Isn't it? Don't they say so? Huh? দেখিয়া না দেখে জেনে অভক্তের জন উলুক না দেখে জেনে সূর্যের কিরণ সূর্যদেব sun gives freely his effulgent light everywhere. How can an owl, huh? How can an owl see? Get it? Huh? The owl says no sunshine. Where is sunshine? No. Similar, those are abhaktas. Those are non-devotees. They cannot see it. How this deity is Krishna. Huh? Pratima nuhantume sakyat brojendra nandan. Huh? Pratima nuhantume sakyat brojendra nandan. You are not mere deity. You are directly the son of Nanda Maharaj. Who can say this thing? Huh? A dear devotee says, who has gotten that vision, premanjana surita, bhakti vilochanena, santa sadeva hrudesu vilokayanti, jasyama sundaram achintya guna surubam, govindam adi purushottamam bhajami. Premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena, who has smeared this ointment of love on his eyes. Huh? Do you understand? Who has developed bhakti vilochana, vision of devotion. Do you understand? He sees all beautiful Syam Sundar form, within and without, isn't it? When he comes to devotee, he sees the deity, he says, yes, Syam Sundar, Pratimanuhantume Sakhyat Brajendra Nandan. You are not mere deity, you are directly son of Nanda Maharaj. And he talks, reciprocates. The talkings are there, isn't it? Reciprocation is there. A devotee does, but a non-devotee cannot see it, cannot do it. Like owl cannot see the sunshine, the sun gives everywhere freely as bright light, isn't it? Do you understand? So how can they develop this question of faith? Question of faith. These people have no faith, they have doubt in it. They have doubt in it. Sansayatma vinasyati. Krishna, only well-wishing friend of ours. Srudam sarvabhutana. Do you understand? Srudam sarvabhutana. We belong to Krishna. Krishna je amar. Krishna tumi amar, ami tomar. Jiver swarupa hoy Krishna nitya das. That is our real swarup, real identity, constitutional position, that eternal servant of Krishna, isn't it? Though we have forgotten Krishna, being captured by Maya, do you understand? Sometime immemorial, but Krishna has not forgotten us. He has not forgotten us. Because he is only well-wishing friend. He makes all arrangement. How can we revive our remembrance? Isn't it? What arrangements he made? What arrangements he makes? Bolo, Tasraj Prabhu. Yes. Jivere Krupaye, Veda Purana. He gives Veda Puranas. Then to understand in Tattva, Guru. Because it's Tattva Gyan. Jo viti tattvata. One should understand in tattva. We have two vichar, do vichar hai. Apat vichar, tattva vichar. Isn't it? Apat vichar, tattva vichar. Apparent consideration and absolute consideration. And all our discourses based on absolute consideration, tattva vichar. Apat vichar, apparent consideration is condemned. It's condemned. Those who take to this Apat vichar, apparent concept, they speak Krishna what? Oh, Krishna. Oh, he is a historical person. Who came 5,000 years ago? Isn't it? He was born and he is dead now. Huh? Who shot an arrow that pierced into his heel and he died. Is no more. Isn't it? This is apadvichar. This is apadvichar, apparent concept. Huh? But tattva vichar, bhakta, Vaishnava, Guru, huh? Adya Jnana Tattva Brajendra Kumar. Brajendra Kumar is absolute truth. One who sees him. Tattvadarshi. Tadvidi pranipatena pariprasnana sevaya. Upadekyanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshina. Huh? One should approach such a person who is tattvadarshi, who is the seer of the truth. Who has seen the Brajendra Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj. Not once, always sees such a person. Seer of the truth and knower of the truth. Approach. Pranipata pariprasna seva. This is the process. Surrender completely unto him. Then serve him, please him, and humbly inquire. Tattva prasna. Do you understand? Then by his mercy, he will impart tattva jnana. By his mercy, mercy of Sadhu Guru, this jnana will be achieved. No other way. Then, Srute Khita Patho. If you hear with complete faith, unflinching faith, concentrate attention, then your eye will be opened. That premanjan, that ointment of love will be smeared on your eye. Then you can see Ikitam love. So the beautiful Shyam Sundar. This is the eye-opening process, isn't it? Rasaraj Prabhu. This is the process. Krishna is our only well-wishing friend. So he sends his own men, his dear devotees, Anugrahaya Charanti Bhavyani Bhutani Janardanasya. Out of mercy, they descend here also. This Vaishnava sadhus. Do you understand? They don't belong to this material world. They belong to that spiritual kingdom, spiritual world, associates of Krishna, more intimate associates. They come here to impart this tattva jnana, to shower mercy on us, to deliver us, to revive our remembrance that we have forgotten. Do you understand? Yes. And we have to hear from him then. And we should put complete faith what they say. They speak about Krishna. Do you understand? Do you follow? Krishna Jetoma. They have come here to give us Krishna. But unless we put complete faith in them, can we get it? If we have doubt in their words, can we get it? Sansayatma vinasyati. There should be no tinge of doubt. It should be complete faith. The question of faith only is Shraddha. Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Ado Shraddha. First requisite is Shraddha. First requisite is Shraddha. Then next thing cometh. You have no faith. You can't get anything. Do you understand? Krishna comes here, manifests Leelas here. Why? Because Sruda. He is only well-wishing friend. Vikridita Prajabadhum Viridincha Vishnu. Because this will be recorded. This will be recorded. Books. And this Vaishnava sadhus, those are coming here, they'll speak about it. They'll give narrations. Do you understand? This will be hard. Srunanta. Srunantang Sokatha Krishna. Punya Sravana Kirtana. Rudnasto hi abhadrani. Vidunoti Susatan. Isn't it? We have to hear Krishna Katha. We have gotten this ear only to hear Krishna Katha. Do you understand? Then our filth, material filth, contaminations there in our heart will be cleansed off. Heart will be purified. Consciousness will be purified. Everything will be purified. Do you understand? Therefore, Krishna comes here, manifests his Leela. Because this will be recorded, and sadhus, Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, the devotees, they'll speak about it and also to hear it. But faith is required. Isn't it? First. Requisite is Shraddha, faith. No faith. Though you come here, though you sit here, though sadhu says, but really you are not hearing. Huh? How many are hearing? Really? Into whose ears really this katha enters? Huh? One who has faith, complete faith, was developed hungry ear. Huh? Only this katha enters into his ears. Only he hears. Otherwise, one may be pretending that I am hearing, but is not really hearing. He is a pretender. Huh? Yes, he is a pretender, is not here. Therefore, Krishna says you should put faith completely in the words of Krishna. Sadgati pradata Krishne karaho viswas. First thing is viswas. विश्वास से मिलो कृष्ण तर्क के बहु दूर विश्वास से मिलो कृष्ण तर्क के बहु दूर only by faith, simple faith, unflinching faith, you can get Krishna. You have no faith, you have doubt, sansaya atma, you cannot have it. Is far, far away from you, far, far away from you. And no doubt, no tinge of doubt, complete faith you are, is close to you, very close, is within you. Do you understand? Krishna said that thing. Agnasto sudhanastho sansayatma vinasyati. Nayam lokasti na para na sukham sansayatmana. Huh? He says, translation given by Srila Prabhupada. But ignorant and faithless persons who doubt the revealed scriptures do not attain God consciousness. They fall down. For the doubting soul, there is happiness neither in this world nor in the next. Huh? Isn't it? Not this world, nor in the next. Nayam lokasti na para na sukham sansayatmana. Do you understand? Short purport is there, I am reading. Out of many standard and authoritative revealed scriptures, the Bhagavad Gita is the best because it is directly come out from the lips of Krishna. Directly. Vedas come out from the breathing of the Lord. Isn't it? Nishosita Vani. Vedas come out from the breathings of the Lord. And Bhagavad Gita has directly come out from the lips of the Lord. So it is known as Gita Upanishad. Upanishad are topmost portion of the Vedas. And this is the best. This Gita Upanishad directly come out from the lips of the Lord. So my Guru Maharaj said that thing. Best of all revealed scriptures, Bhagavad Gita is Bhagavad Gita. Authoritative revealed scriptures. Bhagavad Gita is the best. Persons who are almost like animals, have no faith in or knowledge of the standard revealed scriptures, and some, even though they have knowledge of or can cite passages from the revealed scriptures, have actually no faith in these words. Mukhe bole. I first say mukhe bole. They speak from the lips only, but in the heart, you examine. Scientists, you examine in the heart, no faith. Examine his heart. Mukhe bole. Only from lips. In the heart, no faith. Prabhupada said, who knows this thing? Actually, no faith in these words. Even though others may have faith in scriptures like Bhagavad Gita, they do not believe in or worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. Faith is not strong. Faith is not unflinching. Some faith, partial faith, or soft faith. Isn't it? Komal Shraddha, not strong faith. As I am saying. Pratimanuhantu me sakhyad Vrajendra Nandana. You are not mere idol. You are directly the son of Nanda Maharaj. That is Sakhi Gopal story. Two Brahmins, old Brahmin and young Brahmin, they went out for pilgrimage to visit holy places in India, isn't it? You know that story? Huh? So many holy places, Tirthasthan, holy places they visited. And this young Brahmin helped the old Brahmin a lot. He is very old. Without his help, he couldn't have gone there and visited. So at last they came to Vrindavan. Huh? They went to Gopal Mandir, Gopal temple. Do you understand? Isn't it? There the old Brahmin said, "Oh, you rendered some nice service to me. Without your help, your service, I couldn't have come and visited these places. So I'll give my daughter in marriage to you. Do you understand? I would give my daughter in marriage to you." But the young Brahmin said, "Are you speaking really truth from the core of your heart or from the lips?" "No, I'm speaking, but I have doubt. You cannot keep up your words. You cannot keep up your words. You are speaking here, but as soon as go back, many objections will come. Your wife will object, your son will object, brothers will object, friends will object, isn't it? Do you understand? Because I am very poor, I have no wealth, I am a murkha. People are murkha, ignorant. I have no education. Do you understand? I have no education. And again, I am not, higher Brahmin, I am lower type of Brahmin. Do you understand? So all your family members, they will object in this ground. Do you understand? You cannot keep up your... No, my daughter I'll give. My daughter. In spite of all objections. All right. Speak before Gopal. Let Gopal be our witness. Isn't it? Let Gopal be our witness. Then you cannot deny it if such time comes. He must give witness. Then they made Gopal witness. Spoke before deities. All right, you are witness now. I am speaking. I get my daughter time. Then they went back. This same thing took place. When he spoke this thing, his brother objected, his son objected, his wife objected, his all friends objected, all relatives objected. No, that cannot. Now I have spoken that thing before. What Gopal? Yeah, stone deity. Stone idol. Can he come? Can he speak? Stone idol. Isn't it? Because they have no faith. These people have no faith, faithless person. It's a madman's delirium. Pagal or pralap hai. A madman's delirium. We don't believe such thing. Deity will come, a stone statue, stone idol will come and give a witness. Give up this thing. So, so that old man was what to say. So he kept mum. Some months passed. The thing was not getting off. That the young Brahmin thought of what happened. Then he once came. As soon as he came, his son and the brothers of that Brahmin taking danda. What is a danda? Stick. Like this. Hey! We'll beat you. Get out here. Nonsense. Giving my father some poison dhutura made him mad and coming to take our daughter. You have made my father mad. That's it. That happened. Then what this young Brahmin would do? So he called some gentleman of the village. Then he said, all right, this is the thing, an incident. And now they are saying this, you please consider. Then they sat down, considered, then say, oh, it's all right, who is witness? Huh? Who is witness? If witness is there, please bring that witness or call that witness. If you give witness, then we'll accept it. So yes, Gopal is our witness. All right, Gopal would come here. Yes, definitely. Bhakta has a strong faith, isn't it? Devotee has a strong faith, unflinching faith. He is not a faithless person. Those materialistic persons are doubtful persons, no faith, isn't it? Yes. Then he went to Gopal Mandir, Vrindavan, and said, all right, you could have remembered, we had made a witness that old Brahmin had said before you, expressed before you, give his daughter to me. Now there's objection, is denying. You have to go there now and give witness. Then Gopal said, have you ever seen deity ghosts? What? Pratiman Hantame Sakyad Brajendra Nandana. You are not mere idol. You are directly son of Nanda Maharaj. You are speaking. Why won't we go? Bolo, Rasaraj. Huh? You are speaking. Why won't you go? He has such unflinching faith. Huh? It's question of faith, Vishwas, Shraddha. Huh? And Krishna, I said first, Bhakta ama premi bandhiyati hridaya vitare. That devotee has bound me up in his heart with the rope of love. I belong to him. I belong to him. Sadhu, sadhava hridaya mayam, sadhunam hridaya taham, madanna tema janati, naam tebhyo managapi. That sadhu is my heart. He has occupied my heart. I am the heart of that sadhu. He does not know anything but me. I don't know anything but he. Huh? What the dear devotee says, Krishna does. Bhaktavan sakalapadaru, bhakta vatsala. Huh? What do you say? Rasaraj, to help me. Is bhaktavan sakalapadaru, is bhakta vatsala. Huh? It's very dear to his devotee. And what is dear devotee desires, he fulfills. Isn't it? Bhakta Vansakalpadu, Bhakta Vastu, Bhakta Preme Bandha. He is bound up with the rope of love of Bhakta devotee. Huh? He is dependent on his devotee. Am Bhakto Paradhini. Those supremely independent. And Bhakta works with him. There is also reciprocation, talking. Do you understand? Huh? Then he says, all right, I'll go. So he came to give witness. That is mere idol. Huh? But these people cannot believe, cannot put faith in it. Can they? No, they have no faith, he says. Sansayatma, they have doubt. He says. Such person cannot have any standing in Krishna consciousness. They fall down. Out of all the above mentioned persons, those who have no faith and are always doubtful make no progress at all. Men without faith in God and His revealed words find no good in this world or in the next. For them, there is no happiness whatsoever. Suffering. Yeah? Are they getting any happiness? Getting? Huh? No happiness at all. Dukhalaya. Huh? What is this platform? Little platform. Huh? Platform of miseries. Dukhalaya, dharma, mrityu, jara, vyadhi. Huh? Isn't it? Is there happiness? But these people say, no, we are happy. Isn't it, Rasaraj? No, we are happy, we are happy, we are happy. Such shameless person, shameless. No shame. Pretenders. You understand? We said, what is the word? I don't know. I said, shameless person. They have no shame at all. I always say this thing. I'm saying, one such a person, you see, though they are suffering, still they are in fool's paradise. Fool's paradise. Not real paradise. Fool's paradise. Do you understand? Ah, big boil was there. Very big boil has cropped up here in this buttock, giving so much pain, you see. That person cannot sitting like this. So much pain. Oh, bhai, what has happened to you? A very big banyan tree is cropping up here. Big banyan tree. That gives very cool shade to me. Cool shade. A shameless person. Huh? Shameless person. Big boy. So much pain is there. Cannot see it. And if you ask what has happened to you? Move, brother, bye. A very big banyan tree is cropping up here. Will give us very cool tree, cool shade. Allah. Allah. What to speak of them, Baba? Shameless person. How can they put faith, you see? He said, yes. He said, yeah. They say, yes, we are happy, suffering, they say, happy. But then there's no happiness in this world or in the next. From them there is no happiness whatsoever. One should therefore follow the principles of revealed scriptures with faith and thereby be raised to the platform of knowledge. Only this knowledge will help one become promoted to the transcendental platform of spiritual understanding. In other words, doubtful persons have no status whatever in spiritual emancipation. One should therefore follow in the footsteps of great acharyas who are in the disciplic succession and thereby attain success. Prabhupada Maharaj says. So, in revealed scripture, Sabda Pramana, Sabda Pramana, Vedic proof, Vedic evidence. We have this Pramana Tattva. These people say scientific, you are dealing with these material scientists, whose motto is seeing is believing. They are making some powerful machines, instruments. In their laboratory, they see that with this eye, they can see them. With the help of that machine, they see, analyze, then will believe. Isn't it? Can you see the soul, dissect the whole body with your machine, powerful machine, see the soul? Dissect whole body. Dissect. Use that powerful machine, instrument, see the soul, very soul. We cannot see the soul. Analyze Ganges water. Oh, Baba, scientist, analyze Ganges water in your laboratory. Can you form Ganges water? By the as per your science, what you say, combination of oxygen and hydrogen, we produce water. All right, produce Ganges water. Your water, a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Keep it for some time in some place, in some container, some germs are there, germinated. Put Ganges water years together. Will you find some germs there? Then, what water it is? What sort of water it is? Bolo? It's not your water, material water. Heat of Teja, Marut of means water, is material element. Isn't it? But this Ganges water is not material element. Karnadir Jal. Water of the causal ocean. Isn't it? Transcendental water. Chinmaya Jal. Never becomes polluted. Though people are throwing dead bodies into Ganges. isn't it? All nasty things into Ganges. Still it never becomes polluted. Does it become? But this scientist, it was, oh, Ganges water is becoming polluted, we'll purify it. Such a rascal. Rascaldom going on. Slap them! अब थप्पड़ लगाना उनको उनको थप्पड़ लगाना है. Slap them. Then their eye will open. Oh, take this water. Analyze in your laboratory. Oh, we cannot find, we cannot think it out. Where is your thought process, Baba? Inconceivable. Huh? All this stool, yes, stool of the animal is impure. Stool means nasty things. Huh? But the cow dung, huh, is pure. Huh? Isn't it? You analyze your cow, this cow dung in your laboratory, then any impurity. Rather, some impurities are there, you smear cow dung, it is purified. Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? How? Vedo says, Vedo vakye pavitra hoy. Isn't it? Huh? Vedo vakye pavitra hoy. Vedo says this thing. Huh? And we accept Veda. You understand? Who is the authority in telling about or pointing out your father? Huh? Who is authority? Mother, isn't it? Mother is the only authority. Who can speak of father? Nobody can speak. Isn't it? Huh? But Satsang they even cannot put faith in mother's word. Why that person will be my father? Why not on some other person will be my father? Huh? Let me examine my blood and his blood. If it's similar, then we'll accept it. Huh? Then Satsang isn't it, Rasaraj Prabhu? Am I wrong? Satsang soft faithless person. Even they don't believe in the words of their mother. Huh? All right, I'll examine all the persons. If my blood is similar to some, I'll accept him as my father. I won't believe you. Mother is the only authority, only bona fide authority to speak about father, nothing else, nobody else. You should accept it without any deliberation to it. Isn't it? Completely. Put complete faith in it, all right. Isn't it? It's the first thing. Vedic authority. Veda says, Veda Mata. Veda is mother. That speaks about Supreme Father. Huh? You understand? Veda Mata. Speaks about Supreme Power. And we have to accept it without any deliberation. Just accept. Simple child goes to the primary school to begin, to start education, isn't it? Certified teacher is there who teaches 2 and 2 is equal to 4. Simple child accepts, yes, 2 and 2 is equal to 4. Yeah? Does he say, why it will be 4? Why not 5 or 3 or something else? Does he say? If you say like that, he cannot get any education. Huh? He cannot make progress in mathematics classes. Do you understand? Cannot be promoted to higher class. Isn't it? You have to first accept the authority. It's simple faith. Put faith, complete faith in the authority. Bona fide authority. Huh? Yes, then progress is there. Isn't it? Sansayatma vinasyati. Sansayatma vinasyati. That it says. So, why such doubt? Why develops? Huh? Why you cannot fulfill? Huh? That's what I ask. Why it develops? Huh? Huh? Hello? Only by the association of such doubtful persons. Do you understand? When you are a child, huh? Say 4-year child, 5-year-old child, you are so simple. What mother says, father says, you are accepting, isn't it? Huh? But when you grow up, mix with all doubtful persons, then you develop doubt. Oh, yes, how will it be? No. I must examine it. I must know it correctly. I must be convinced. Then I will believe, accept it. No, isn't it? Because of the association of such persons, those who have no faith in the revealed scriptures and sadhu, shastra, guru, Krishna, some materialistic persons, in other words, you say, asatsanga. Asatsanga is the mother, janani of this faithlessness. Can you understand my language? Or you help me? Huh? Help me, Rasaraj. Huh?
Yeah.
Clear? The asatsanga, do you follow my language? No, they cannot follow. Bad association. Association with faithless persons. Those who have no faith in the revealed scriptures. Sadhu, Shastra, Guru. Follow me? Only by the association of such persons, you develop such doubt. Doubtful mentality. Huh? Sandeha. Sansaya. So asatsanga, follow my language, is the mother of development of doubt. Asatsanga, sansaya, janani. Mother of faithlessness. Do you understand? Follow my language? What is asat? What is asatsanga? The next question comes. What is asatsanga? Yes. Dusanga. In other words, say dusanga. Satsanga or satsanga? Or kusanga or dusanga? Follow my language? They can't follow. Please help. Please help them. They can't follow. Bad association. Those are not sadhus. Do you understand? Or sadhus. Understand? Association with asadhus. Follow my language? Clear? I'm trying my best, but I fail sometimes. I need his help. Do you understand? With the association of asadhus, such thing develops. This faithlessness, sansaya, doubt. Because they have no faith. Then who is asadhu? Next question comes. Who is asadhu? Who is asat? What is dusanga? What is asatsanga? What is dusanga? Yes? Trisangi or Krishna Bhakta is not a devotee of Krishna. Mahaprabhu has given that definition. Asata kahiye tare atma vanchana. Krishna bhakti vina anyo kamana. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Follow Rasaraj Prabhu. Asat kahiye dusanga, that is dusanga. Dusanga kahiye tare atma vanchana. Krishna bhakti vina anyo kamana. Mahaprabhu gave this definition, dusanga. That is dusanga. Follow my language? That is asatsanga. Do you understand? If that person is asat, asadhu, do you follow? Follow my language? Who? Krishna bhakti vina anya karana. Who has desire anything else, or where desire other than Krishna and Krishna Bhakti. Is it correct? That is the Sangha. Do you follow my language? Huh? Anybody? Cannot follow? Follow? Huh? असंग कहिए तारे आत्मवंचना कृष्ण कृष्ण भक्ति बिना अन्य कामना. That is the sangha. That is asasanga. You understand? That is a sadhu. Sangha, association of sadhu person. That person who has desire for, who has no desire for Krishna or Krishna bhakti. That is asat. You follow? Huh? Follow me? Understand? Huh? If you associate with such person, then you develop this doubt. Huh? Huh? This is the reason of faithlessness, Shraddha, doubt. If you associate such person, those have no desire for Krishna and Krishna Bhakti. Isn't it? Yes. So that Sansayatma Vinasyati. Therefore, Krishna is so merciful. He comes here, he manifests his Leela. He also sends his own men, their devotees, Vaishnavas, his associates to this material platform, material world. They come here, causelessly descend here, they wander here, they speak about this thing, they impart this knowledge that their causeless mercy and Shastras are there, and they speak and taking shelter of such sadhus, such Vaishnavas, Pranipata Pariprasna Seva. This is the process, complete shelter, surrender unto their sadhu, serve their sadhu, Vaishnava Guru, please him, then humbly ask question. Then after mercy, he will impart. Okay? Hearing from him, complete faith, he puts complete faith in his words, then we'll get it. Best. Then life is successful. Eye will open, your blindness will go. Isn't it? Sadhu, Vaidya, sadhu is a doctor who will do operation, cataract operation, doctor does. Then eyes open and the blind boy can see the sun. Now sadhu will do operation. Then your eye of devotion will open, then you can see Shyam Sundar, or beautiful Shyam Sundar. All right? Then you'll be happy. No more doubt. Sansayatma vinasyati nayam lokasti na parano sansayatma. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Yes?
With just thinking for the mass of people, it sounds very impractical because they have. How can they avoid the association of non-devotees, faithless persons? They have to work, they have family support. Actually, it seems impossible for the mass of people. I mean, they may see a sadhu, but really they have to associate.
It is impossible for a faithless person. It is very easy for a faithful person. How Gopal came for giving witness? Because he has strong faith. He never sees the statue or idol. He sees Brajendra Nandan. He talks and reciprocates. Follow my point? Yes. Well, no faith is very difficult. Yes, very difficult. Faith, complete faith, very easy. No difficulty. It's a question of faith only, nothing else. Is there anything else? Therefore, Rupa Goswami says, Adu Shraddha. Adu means first requisite is Shraddha. Then comes other things. Adu Shraddha, tad sadhu sangha, tad bhajan kriya, tad artha nivritti, nishtha tata, ruchi tata, tata asakti, tad bhava prema. Last thing. If your beginning is not there, then how other things will develop? Siro nasti, siro pida. If you have no head, how can you speak about the headache? No head at all. And you are speaking about headache. Are Baba, siro nasti, siro pida. You have no head. And speaking, oh, my head aches. Oh, you have no head. Those third thing is faith. Then
But how can you have faith
I say, how can you have faith?
if you associate with non-devotees? You're not in India, you're in the West, and it's all full of karmis and non-devotees. And how can you?
Don't think so. Sadhus are everywhere. You have no vision to see them, therefore you say, oh, I can't see sadhu. Huh? I can't see sadhu. And the blind man, blind boy saying, oh, don't speak about sadhu. I can see sadhu. When I sleep, that is my night. When I am awake, that is my day. I am making my own day and night. What is that? Your son is making your day and night. Stop saying about son. Huh? So we'll believe a blind boy, blind man. Those who speak about Krishna, those who see Krishna, believe them, put faith in their words. Bas. They wander everywhere, sadhu. Anugrahaya charanti bhavyani bhutani janardanasya. Out of causeless mercy, they wander throughout the world. Throughout the world. Their heart bleeds. Huh? The heart of sadhu bleeds. Seeing the suffering of the jivas here. Whose heart bleeds? Huh? Who says, oh, it belongs to Krishna. It belongs to Krishna. Huh? Yes, this belongs to Krishna. Oh, this hand, it belongs to Krishna. Huh? One who sees, Jama pasyati sarvatra, sarvam samai pasyati, isn't it? I quoted that. He is sadhu. He is everywhere. They are wandering throughout the world. You have no vision. So, though you see a sadhu, you can't see him. Huh? You can't see him. Though you see, because you have no vision. How can you see sadhu? Huh? If Krishna will come here, can you recognize him? Have you acquaintance with him? Baba, huh? गल्प पूछो इनको हाँ परिचय है ना हाँ परिचय है कृष्ण जब आएंगे तो परिचय नहीं है कैसे पहचानेंगे हाँ if Krishna will come up you have no acquaintance with him how can you recognize him huh avajananti man mudha Krishna said the mudha rascals they deride me as an ordinary human being. Huh? Mudas. I'm speaking like Muda. As a shameless person. If you're really conscious, really, yes, I am blind. Really, I am blind. I have no vision. Then he'll get. If you can, one doesn't admit it. No, I am not blind, I see. No, he cannot get any help if the help is there. He cannot be helped. Can he be? No. Understand my point? Yes. One who is conscious, yes, really I am in trouble, really I am suffering, really I am blind. How can I free from this blindness? How can I free from this trouble and suffering? So, Krishna is there, his dear devotees, sadhus are there, Shastra, sadhu, guru, everything is there. Help is there. You understand? But one is callous. Huh? How can you help a callous person? He's not conscious. Huh? Yes, such callousness. Give up this callousness. Give up this callousness. I say that. Well, so shameless person. My Guru Maharaj, no compromise. No compromise. But you are compromising. Huh? You follow? So, anyhow, Maya is there. Will never leave you, Baba. She will putting lashes. Huh? She is putting lashes, severe, more severe lashes. If you won't accept the direct path, path, then indirect path is there. That is Maya. Putting on you lashes, severe, more severe, more severe, more severe, life after life. As long as you have not turned your face towards Krishna, he will never leave you. These people want this thing. That is their reward gain. Kicking of Mahamaya. They have no faith in Lord Krishna, no faith in revealed scripture, no faith in sadhu, guru, Vaishnava.